Hey y'all, it's 𝚑𝚘. Welcome back and thank you for tuning in again. If you're a new subscriber, join the family. Today, it's gonna be a little bit all over the place. I'm gonna do kind of like okay, so as you guys know, I rebranded and I'm gonna start my business, my little store, my little shop or whatever it's called. I got it from her, Aaliyah's Mini Shop. So yeah, on about 2 videos ago, I did an inventory haul, a huge inventory haul, and I let you guys know that I wasn't finished buying things for my business, which I'm not, and I'm still not. I ordered some things that are going to be arriving today before 8 p.m., but 3 other things got here the other day that I want to show you guys. I definitely was about to open it. I got scissors right there on top of the box, getting ready to open the box, but I decided to just pull out my camera and do a quick intro and just open it. Have you guys open it with me. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to clear off my desk real quick, make some room, and then I'm gonna set the box up here and open it. It's gonna be kind of like vlog style because, well, yeah, this might be a day in my life type of shit. Okay, here's the box, and like I told y'all, I started to open it, but I was like, let me just whip out my camera and quit being lazy. So yeah, just finish opening this. And I haven't launched yet because what I'm doing is I'm ordering everything and getting my inventory ready before I launch. So I'm gonna have like a bulk of everything. Like I'm gonna have like everything, all my lip gloss tubes filled up. I'm gonna have all my candles made. I'm gonna have everything made before I even decide to launch. And after I get everything made, then on my website, I can complete that. I can put in my inventory on my website, you know, set up all that extra stuff. In this box are 2 big jugs of aloe vera. These aloe vera oil, I'll put everything in the description as well. These aloe vera oils are going to be for my shimmer body sprays. Probably don't want to use your own bottled waters, and probably just go ahead and order a jug of purified water off of Amazon or something, or go like to the store. Your personal household resources, you want to separate that from your business resources. Like I said, this is just a trial and error thing. I'm just testing it out, seeing how it works, seeing how it looks, type of thing. And I'm gonna put it on my skin and see if it shimmers, if it looks good, all that stuff. So yeah, I'm just gonna let you guys watch me do that. He has his own business too, and he also does gaming. So like we wanted to get a separate bedroom for our business and for our gaming area, office area. So yeah, this is our second bedroom. We haven't did a house tour yet, but yeah, this is where I'm at in case you guys want to see. This is my area. All this is mine because I'm gonna get like a separate desk right here to actually make my products on, because that's basically my desk or whatever, my editing area, my work area. And then over here I need to get like a desk because it definitely can fit. This room is huge. I can get a desk right here so I can actually make my stuff on, so I don't have to keep clearing off my personal work desk. I already opened. Yeah, I had already opened one. So this is the one I was gonna do the test on. So yeah, I'm gonna use this and do a little test. And yeah, so this is the gel. Sorry, not gel. This is the oil. And then I'm gonna use that water bottle. And then let me get the mica. Where is the mica? Those are some of the lip glosses that I've already pre-made in here. And then these, I need to fill out these tubes up. But I had ran out of lip gloss base. That's why I didn't get to finish. But yeah, I did some of them. My lip gloss base, like I said, if I even mentioned it, should be here today as well. Along with the rest of my candle making things. So here's little sample boxes of mica, and I'm gonna use these. Just use one of those to just kind of test this shit out. Grab one. Close these. Yeah, that looks better. Cause it's a little overexposed. Oh, I'm about to pour it, and I ain't even open the seal. That's how excited I am. This can be very messy. So I probably should. Yeah. So I have like a towel that I use for when it gets messy. Whoa, that cup going crazy. Okay, that should be enough probably. I don't know. We finna find out. Pour it in here. So I know you're supposed to fill up a little bit more than halfway like that. And then the rest you need to fill it up with water. And then I'll get my water bottle. And then I'm gonna pour up the remainder. Okay, just like that. And then after you do that, you wanna take your mica of your choice. Yeah. So yeah. You're just gonna put in however much you think you need. I don't know, like I said, just a trial and error. I'm just gonna put as much as I think may. Oh, I think I put a little bit too damn much. Oh well. That's what it's looking like so far. There we go. I made it. That is beautiful. Okay, well, it's time to test it out. Let me just. All right, let's give it a shot. Oh, it comes out. The actual color comes out. 1 second. I'm gonna try it on my arm because maybe I just didn't put enough. You definitely can see it. I ain't have no natural lighting, but I was looking down watching YouTube videos and I was like, oh my god, I can't see it. So yeah, you definitely can see it. It's pretty. And if you add more, then obviously you can see it even more. But yeah, it definitely worked. So I guess I won't be trying to do another trial and error for this. I guess it worked. So I've seen a lot of people using the aloe vera juice like I did, but the aloe vera juice has like kind of like a smell to it that I don't know, I really don't like it. I seen somebody else on YouTube use baby oil. They bought a big jug from like the dollar store. And it's the same thing. Like I said, you could choose any oil you want. And baby oil I know smells better. So I don't know. I might trial and error and go try that out too. Smell isn't bad, but it's like baby oil smells better. And even though I will be putting fragrance oils in the body shimmer, I'd rather have a base that already smells kind of good, if you get what I'm saying. And if everybody's using aloe vera juice and it's working for their business and I have to use baby oil and like that better, then I'll just be that 1% that just uses that different type of oil. I mean, it's all about preference. I'm glad I found that girl's YouTube video because she was literally like the only person that I came across that used a different oil than aloe vera juice. Okay, so while I was just eating me some noodles and watching TV, I got a notification that my package arrived. I don't know which one it is, but I'm gonna go check it a little bit after I finish my noodles and I'm gonna take you guys with me to see what it is. I'm super excited. We're on the first floor and there's always a whole bunch of dogs in this breezeway, so I'm gonna pick her up and then when we get to the grass, I'm gonna put her back down. Look at the puppy. See what I tell y'all. It never fails. When I come out here, it's always a dog. And Candy don't get too well with other dogs, so I just try to be careful. Come on, mama. You peeing so slow. I'm gonna have to wash my hands. I don't know who's been touching on this door. So the package was from, let me see. I don't want to show my damn address. The package is from TKB Trading. And I see their address in there. Their name right there. So I'm gonna go open it real quick. I think it's the lip gloss base, and that's good because I need to go ahead and bake the rest of them tubes. Well, it's not that fucking big. This look like the same size I just bought, and I just what the? They got me 15 ounce. I thought I ordered 56 ounce. Did I? I thought I ordered 56 ounce, which would be 2 of these, like put together, so like bigger. And I thought I got it for $50 because I know I needed a lot more. Maybe not. No, yeah, I did change it at the last minute because this was $15 and the 56 ounce was $50. The 56 ounce was like $50. So I think I went cheap and got the small one. So I'll eventually have to end up buying another one of these. Damn it. Because I do need to fill up all my lip gloss. But whatever. Yeah, this is what came in the mail. Yeah. So that's that so far. And I'll see you guys in the next clip. Good morning, y'all. It's on the back camera. Good morning, y'all. I had already been up to brush my teeth and I took a shower. But I didn't make an outro yesterday because I felt like the video needed a little bit more. So what happened was I was supposed to be waiting on my candle stuff to come yesterday, but it ended up being the package. They emailed me and said it was going to be late. So I just got a message now saying that my package is in the mailroom, so I'm about to get it. And if you don't know what it is, it's my candle stuff. So I'm about to take y'all with me to go get it. I'm gonna make some lip gloss, and then I'm gonna do the candle stuff later because I want to just have my full focus on the candle stuff. But I'm gonna go ahead and get this lip gloss out the way so I can focus on my other products because I don't want to jump back and forth from product to product. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm gonna focus on the lip gloss, fill all those tubes up, or use all my lip gloss space that I have, and then I can focus on my candle stuff later on. Oh my god. Package was picked up on. What the hell? Could it be one of these over here? Okay, so I'm gonna just go in the office and see what's going on because they say I already picked up my package yesterday, which I didn't because I just got the notification that it was here, and then that was the code that they text me to open it. So yeah, I'm about to go to the office. I'm not gonna record me going in the office, but I'm about to see what's going on. It's this one. Okay, we ready to go home? The package is here. Hey, mama. You didn't even know I was gone, did you? In here sleep. Bro, they didn't box this up good. Look at this. It almost ripped when I was walking over here. This stuff is heavy. Way too hard to open with one hand. Here it is, the DIY candle making kit. My bad, my mama called and y'all know them phone calls don't be short, but anywho, I'm back. And well, I wonder if I can put the camera down here. Yeah, that worked better. So yeah, let's go ahead and open the rest of this up. And I was gonna open it on the phone with her, but I stopped myself because I wanted y'all to have a first impression with me. And I'll just show my mom later. Well, actually, my mom said she would just watch the YouTube video. I didn't want to just open them on the phone with her when I was in the middle of showing y'all first. So, yeah, let's go ahead and open this up. I'm super excited. Woo! So this is what's in there. You got the double boiler, and if you don't know what that is, it's basically you get one of your regular pots on the stove and you fill it up with water and you boil the water, and you set this in the water on the stove because this doesn't go directly on the stove, and then that's where you put all your candle stuff in here to melt, like your wax and stuff. Also give you 4 fragrance oils as well. I already bought 10 fragrance oils that I wanted to use for my candles, but they also give you 4, and if these smell really good, I might end up using these 2. This is Cotton Clean. Let me smell this. Wow. Whoa, I like that because it's real gentle. It got a real gentle smell to it. Yeah, but I like that. The next one is cinnamon and vanilla. Ooh, these is some good. Oh yeah, they're all really light, not very strong. I might end up having to use a lot of this because I want them candles to smell, baby. I want them candles to lavender. I ain't really a big fan of lavender, but this do smell good. Relax. Lavender is what you put off after you clean your apartment or something. That's the type of smell it's giving off. But I might not use lavender because I'm gonna use my favorites. And then the last one is coconut lime. Woo! I never imagined coconut mixed with lime would actually do, but this did it. That smelled good. Yeah, I think it's a thermometer. What is this? Yeah. I needed this. I'm glad the kit came with that because I didn't have a thermometer and I would have just been eyeballing everything. Starter kit. And then I got like 4 big bags of soy wax. I don't want to have to make a part 2 because the next YouTube video is going to be you guys actually making the candles with me tonight. So I don't want to throw that part in here. So that's why I'm adding the unboxing in this one, because if I was to unbox this on the candle part where I'm actually making the candles, that video would just be too long. And I don't want that one to be too long. This one is okay to be long because this is like a vlog. But that video is like a just make candles with me type of video. So I want to already have everything unboxed for that video and everything prepped and ready to go. So we can get straight into it. Okay guys, big reveal. Oh my God. I'm so happy. Whoa. So cute. This is so cute, man. Look at these candle jars. Okay, so I forgot what ounce these was, but yeah, these are my candle jars. You can either put the cork in like that, or you can just have the regular top on there, and you can also put the cork on top for looks. Now you might think, oh, the cork is sliding all the way around. Well, they give us string. I don't know. I think I seen it on there. They give you string to tie it around, all cute and stuff, so it holds steady. But yeah, these are my candle jars. And for right now, this is the size that I'm gonna do. And then later on down the road, I'll get bigger jars. But I think these will do for now. These are super cute. Look what they look like. Uh-oh. So I got 40 of these. Oh yeah, I was right. Yep, I was right. See? So these are 40 pieces of string. And like I said, you can tie this string around the candle jar. I also ordered the labels for these candle jars. They'll be here tomorrow. And then we're gonna put the stickers on them tomorrow, because I think I'm gonna make these today. Yeah, so yeah, that's it. Let me put you guys around to end this video. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That was me unboxing my candle stuff. I showed you guys how I made my body mist, and what else? Yeah, just about it. It was just like a little vlog style, a day in my life. Later on today or either tomorrow, I'm going to start making the candles, and I'll have another video up for that one. Super exciting. It's going to be my first time doing it, so you guys are going to trial and error with me. Stay tuned for the next video. Subscribe if you made it to the end. Like, comment down below anything you want, and I'll be sure to keep everything that I'm buying in the description box below, in case you guys are wondering where I got all of this. Most of this stuff is from Amazon. Actually, all of it is from Amazon. I'll link everything down and below in case you want to start your business, or in case you just are interested in anything that I got and you want to buy it. I'll link it down below. Don't really care too much to share information like this. There's enough money out here for everybody. There's enough knowledge to be spreaded. And yeah, I mean, that's just how I feel. Yeah, bye guys. Hope you guys enjoyed again, and thanks for watching. And if you made it to the end, I love you so much. But I don't wanna come back down. Wait, it's just like air.